Ministry of Human Resource Development. So each and every institute, they having a lot of the young minds. Okay, the creations or innovation, that capacities, that visionary is very high among that peoples only. So based on that vision only, this Institution Innovation Council is started. So what is the main function of this Institute Innovation Council? To conduct the various innovation and the entrepreneurship related activities, and identify who and reward the new innovations ideas, and organizing the workshops and the seminars, interactions, and the entrepreneurs, investor, because this is a bodies consist of the many professional as a senior member, senior research fellows, and businessmen, and the entrepreneurs, the investors, is all the peoples is available under the single council. That means you want any mentoring, I need the mentoring on the research and development, you can find out the mentor there. You want to mentor on the design base, that means some software based simulation you need, that type of mentor is available. Financial assistant based mentorship we can get it. And business oriented, I want to make it that my idea to the business, so which business model we can go it, that type of mentoring ideas we can get it. And the sales, marketings, and market space and features, upgradation of the product, everything we can get it. So the Institute Innovation Council, it is one of the gift at the present young minds. In your curriculum itself, there is a chance to prove your talent here itself. So what are the supportives necessary? All those things we are providing through the Institute Innovation Council. Then this Institute Innovation Council, what is the outcome generally is we are expecting after you crossed in this Institute Innovation Council as a part of your graduation, means you are the one of the successful entrepreneur. You want to become the one of the successful entrepreneur through your startups. If an entrepreneur means what are the basic skills? He is a born or made. That means if you have the innovative idea, you know how that innovative idea to convert as a business. If you're during that business, what are the risk is going to happen, that he's how to handle in the smooth manners. And your thinking always is going for the upgrade. That means your think is the out of the box. If you're having these 4 important characteristics, means you become the entrepreneurs. So based on my knowledge, as a what are the skills and what are the habit we are facing as a engineer graduations, is all those things is giving the great guideline to change our shape as an entrepreneur now. If an entrepreneur means what are the characteristics you should have? It's an innovation, because your idea only is a spark here. If innovation is that idea you want to focus on more and more, so your patience should be in the highly concentrate on the your booming your innovative ideas. Then integrity. If you have solution to a particular concept, means any additional supportive concept is able to get it to develop that concept in the some more higher levels, the communication skills, and after this is a self motivations. Because if, when you are showing your idea in the in the particular forum, means is you get it that 10 idea means nearly 8 ideas is a suppressing ideas. It is a how to say, that is a criticism of ideas. So only 2 peoples only they are encouraging to motivate you. So among with this, you need the self motivation to become the successful entrepreneur. So these are the basic characteristics we want to find out here. Done. I'm saying the idea now is the idea. Starting onwards, this total presentation is based on the idea and innovative practices. I have one idea, I have one spark. That idea is having the maturity level. So that is called technology readiness level. Is that which your idea is belongs to which level of the TRL? That means the technology readiness level. It is the basic idea. Otherwise, it's the idea. It needs some research on the particular area. It's not that much developed that. Otherwise, it needs some technology based proof is necessary. That is a technology development demonstration needed idea. Otherwise, that idea is related to the prototype development. Or the scalable, scale up the values. 1 second. So the idea is a measurable here. That measurable parameters is acceptable in the universal level. If you faculty members, they want to propose any funding proposal, means is a TRL based only, the sanction process is going to happen. If is the students, they want to introduce any idea, means that idea is evaluated by the panel members based on this TRL only. So here you see the bottom side is the many phases of the TRLS and what is the function of the TRL, what is the real nature of the TRLS we can see. If you, the second, and that means upper side, you can see that that is a which type of development need is that in that point of level. Either it's a knowledge development, otherwise technology development or business development. If you as an entrepreneur means we want to easily cross, we should easily cross these TRL levels. Then only our idea become the product and it can enjoy by the consumers or customers. So see here, we have the basic knowledge, we have the technology development, technology knowledge, and the business related. That means our master of business administration related papers also we are studying. So we have all the important skills related basics we know. So we need the one platform, we need one forum to enrich that idea into the next level. So in the upper side, you may see there is an academic area is there, and the collaboration area is there, industry area is there. Is it any body is available as a young's mind, as an entrepreneur means that is IIC here. Because IIC is taking care about the academic part and the collaboration part and the industry part. Because the leading personalities from this academic collaboration industry is the part of that councils. You bring your ideas and put it here, and you can get it what are the necessary mentoring and necessary services necessary, everything you can get it and shine your careers. So this is the technology readiness level importance as entrepreneurs. Then we have the ideas. That idea I want to going to project in front of some panel members. That means who's ready to support my knowledge, who's ready to sharing the technical skill with related to my ideas, or is who ready to finance my projects. So in that time, the proof of concept is necessary. Is a proof of concept only is a speak about your ideas in the technological manners, in the decision manner, in the flexibility manner or feasibility manners. If you have the idea, that idea where you going to apply, that means application oriented development is necessary. Then you express that idea into the some evaluation panel. Based on the evaluation panel, we want to fine tune that idea to the next level. So based on that level is which product finally going to produce, that decision you should know. If you make the innovation idea to the why you come to this conclusion of this particular decision. So all those things we want to prepare as a proof of concept. Okay, so in the proof of concept base, then we can start our business as entrepreneurs. So these are the main thing here. So technical readiness level and proof of concept, this too is a vital role, is necessary, skill is necessary. That skill is a lagging here as a engineers to the entrepreneurs. So this portion who will taking care means is the IIC council. Then is a prototype innovations. If you develop prototype kits, you want to review that, any refine is necessary, any simulation data, any parameters you want to adjust to make the appreciate performance or make the appreciate benefit means again the retype of a prototype. So prototype we want to make it. Is a many people I've seen, they have the spark, they started the business, at the middle of the business they will face some issues. Maybe they want to be shine as a good manners. So what is the reason means this philosophy is missing. That means TRL level they didn't observe, as well as the proof of concept is also they not get it good manners, and prototype also they missed. So based on this type of small error only, they unable to the success in the business. So here that chance is missing here. So IIC is taking care. It is a main thing. If an innovator means is a entrepreneur means is a funding is a issues. Is a who will provide the fund for my project. Is a who will provide the supporting for the my different stages of the business. So these are the Niti based funding systems we can get it. The many funding agencies are available. If your proof of concept is viable, the proof of concept is appreciated by the innovation council members, means they never worry about the sponsoring the projects, as well as they never worry about the sponsor about your product as a market. So different level is there. One business means I need the seed, I have the idea, that idea want to enrich. In that time, I need some certain fund. If my idea is ready, I want to make for the prototype. So in that time is some certain amount of ready, some certain amount is needed. So different stages from A to Z is what are the stages is there. If which stage is need the more amount, which stage is more supportive, either the economical or mentally or physically. So according that each and every stages is assumed, and based on that, that funding agency is providing the opportunity for your development. Then Institute Innovation Council, as a faculty entrepreneurs or students entrepreneurs, they having the 360 view of the innovative supports and the startup supports. So what are the different stages? It is generally in the circle you are seeing here, one circle. So outer side, the main function of that sectors we can see it, and inner how that performance is going to handle. So this thing we can see it. If you have the idea, you have one great idea, that ideas related field visit is necessary. Why? Because you want to understand that idea is the valid or not. Is maybe your point of view that is a valid, but already that idea is the came to the market, it's got it's saturated, means again we want to research our ideas, always upgrade our ideas. So this thing is always possible, means is the field visit. Okay, so there it is the fine tuning about your problem statement. Then that statement, once we are came for the problem statement, means each and every corner of that problem your ideas is identified, and what are the supportive point, what are the traits, that means a SWOT analysis for your